guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. Today's video, we are getting into a sleek ponytail hair routine. Yes, I know my hair is not in that right now. It's because I've already recorded this video and I literally forgot to record the intro. So here I am. This hairstyle is so awesome. Like, I love it. It is such a beautiful look. As you will see in this video, I am not a hairstylist, so I'm not amazing, but this hairstyle works for me, and let's get into the routine. As you can see, I am taking my hair down from my ponytail. My hair is dirty. It's probably 3 to 4 days of it not being washed with, I use dry shampoo. That's a big item that I use. But as you can see, I am brushing my hair and I'm just trying to get the knots out of my hair, get my hair smooth. Especially my wavy, curly haired girls, they know that brushing through your hair takes a long time. So as you can see, I sped this up for you guys. And I'm adding water to my hair as well, just so it gets a little bit damp and it's easier to brush through. Sectioning my hair helps with blow drying it and getting it straighter. So obviously this is a sleek ponytail look. I want my hair to be straight as possible. So I'm going to be going in with my Revlon blow dryer brush and also a straightener. But right now I'm clipping my hair back and finishing up, and then I go in with my Revlon and I kind of pull away from my face so it's more of a flipped look, and then I go in with my straightener and I straighten it. So I like to use my brush when I straighten, so it's an easier process and it just makes it more smooth. I don't know, that's how I learned to straighten my hair, is going in with a brush and then straightening it. Also, make sure to use a heat protectant. It's really important to protect your hair. I like the Moroccan Oil brand one. It's amazing. It smells awesome. But as you can see, I'm finishing blow drying my hair and straightening it. It takes a while, but it's definitely worth it if you're trying to have that sleek look. As you can see, I'm focusing on my bangs, so I like blow drying that with the Revlon brush, and I'm pulling away from my face so it creates that volume and creates that little swooped curtain bang look, because I love that look, especially with girls with bangs. I think that's such a cute look. And now I'm going in with my brush. It's like a super thin brush. I got it from CVS, and it has this end. I don't know what the people call it, like the hairstylists call it, but I'm gonna call it like a toothpick end. I think it gives me that vibe, whatever. But as you can see, I'm forming my middle part and just getting my hair straight. This next part is the hardest part, is taking your bangs out and sectioning that. So I am a perfectionist, and you will see in this video how long it takes me to get my bangs right. And like, they're not perfect still. I'm still working on learning how to do this, but every time I do it, I learn a little bit more. But when you're trying to section your bangs, definitely clip back your hair, especially if you have long hair, because sometimes my hair can really get in the way of me trying to, section it or gel it. So definitely brush your hair back and clip it back. But as you can see, I'm going in, and it's basically, after you get your hair straight, it's getting your bangs right and making that part as perfect as you want. So I like to create kind of a triangle with my bangs. You can see like the part, it's a triangle at the crown of your head. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's kind of what I do. Obviously, it's not a perfect triangle, but obviously you don't want a lot of your bangs out. Basically, a few strands. So after I get my bangs perfectly the way that I want, I go in with a big brush and I brush my hair. So then I go in with this gel. It's called Echo, and it's honestly amazing. I get it from CVS, and it's super reasonable, and it does such a great job with keeping your hair slicked back. And here I am. I have my hands full. I'm like, Oh yeah, don't do that at home, kids. Don't do that at home. I'm gelling my hair. Listen, you're gonna need a lot of gel, but obviously I go in with a little at a time because you'd rather just go in with a little and add more and more. Basically, after you put gel in, it's basically a process of putting gel, brushing your hair back, putting more gel in, brushing your hair back, fixing your part if you don't like it. As you can see, I'm going back in with that as I'm fixing my part because I'm like, ugh, come on. But here we are, it's just the same process. And I'll speed that up as you guys can see. I'm brushing it back and gelling. Also, a big thing is gelling the back of your hair and brushing as well. I make sure to do that just to make sure there's no bumps and just to make sure that it's smooth in the back and the front. I'm finishing putting my ponytail up, and I take a little section out from the side of the ponytail and I go ahead and put the rest of that ponytail up. I take the little section piece that I took out and I wrap it tightly around my ponytail. This is going to make it look so chic. Like, it's going to make it look like your hair is literally holding your hair, if that makes sense. Like, you can wrap it around your ponytail and make it look like it's a hair elastic. So I think that's super cool. And I go in with a bobby pin just to hold that piece of hair wrapped around my ponytail. So we're getting towards the end of the video and the final look. So I go in with a little bit more gel and I just brush back the little bumps that I still had. And this is the final look, but obviously it wasn't the final look until I put in my gold hoops. As you can see, I'm putting them in and this is the final look, and it's such an easy hairstyle and it makes you look so put together. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video with me. Also, please comment down below if you want to see more content like this or what your favorite hairstyle is. I would love to know and maybe try it out. So I'll see you next time.